Just woke up. Mateus, what are you doing? What are you doing, Mateus?
Watching TV.
Did you eat breakfast yet?
Yeah.
Okay, I might go eat breakfast too. I'm gonna go see what Melissa's doing.
Okay.
Hi, Melissa.
Hi.
Did you just wake up too? Did you eat breakfast? You wanna go eat breakfast?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna go make some for us.
No.
So we're getting ready to go to the mall. Larissa! Oh, it's very windy. Hey, Mateus. Alright, Larissa, come here. Alright, we're gonna go anywhere, so yeah. Yes, what's wrong? Tell us. Just tell us. He wants pizza. I mean, you want Subway? Or do you want pizza?
McDonald's.
Okay, yeah, he wants McDonald's, but we're getting pizza from Pizza Hut.
Why don't you get Subway?
I'm getting pizza. I got Subway last time.
But you can't.
Yeah, I did.
But you can't.
I can. Okay.
You can't.
So Melissa and Larissa got a pizza.
I want Subway.
You want a Subway? Oh.
Pegar da Larissa. Gente, eu pedi uma grande. É só pegar outra pequena.
Behind the scenes, guys. Behind the scenes. This is how much trouble Mateus makes when you get food. He's trying to get the camera. Mateus, just go eat. Mateus.
Larissa, olha que ali.
Mateus, what are you looking for? The helicopter? Are you sure it's here?
Is this?
No, that's a bad
There's
helicopter.
only like a car.
Oh, I see. There's no drones? See what you get, Melissa. What is that? What is it? It's a bird? Larissa, what'd you buy? I don't know if you guys can see. It's like a makeup thing. We'll open it when we get home. All right. So we went into this store and we came out with all this stuff. My goodness. Oh, we're gonna take a picture. Home. We just bought a lot of stuff.
Like this.
Yeah, he got a mouse. And now we gotta go down and walk this dog. Are you ready, Mateus?
No, I broke my hand.
He didn't break your hand.
It's
We have to take the dog to the bathroom. Oh, he's so busy. Look at him in this phone call. Alright, menu. Are you ready to go outside? Yeah, she's excited. Alright, show us your new toy, Melissa. Oh my goodness. She dropped everything. Oh my goodness. Okay, I gotta go clean it up now. Can you see the light? Hey guys, so we're outside. We're walking Pachi. I'm here with Mateus.
It's
Menu, yeah, Menu. I keep calling her Pachi because we were used to take care of this other dog named Pachi. Yeah, so we're just here. Dog's doing his business. Yeah. You have anything to say? I don't know.
I don't know.
Okay, next scene. So where are we going, Mateos?
Hamburgeria.
Hamburgeria? Yeah, we're gonna get some burgers and fries for dinner. Alright,
João, você quer batata com queijo e bacon?
No.
Que lá tem.
Okay. Let's go, Mateos. Melissa, show off your toy again. Show your toy. Show how it works. How does it work? You whistle into it and it repeats what you think. Oh, Mateus. Yeah, Mateus wants to show everybody his new mouse. He just got it. Alright, what's special about it? Yeah, when you click the button, it changes colors. That's awesome, Mateus. That's awesome, man. Look at your face. I love that mouse.
When you said yours is better.
It's Are you gonna be a PC gamer now?
Yeah.
Melissa, did you have a good day today?
Yes.
Yeah, you liked it? Alright, don't whistle that. No, don't whistle that. It's so loud. Alright. So say good night to everybody. Say good night. Say
Good night.